I'm going to pause the video until this loads, just to save some time. When we come back, I will show you how to install. Okay, we're back. To install now. Okay, now it's time to install the server. We're going to use the full enterprise edition to install, as opposed to the core installation. Why? Because the core installation doesn't really have a user-friendly GUI. The full enterprise version does. If you're using the core version, there's no desktop, there's no start menu, no taskbar, or any other features you're used to seeing. All you really have is a command prompt, which means you have to do the majority of the work configuring the server core by typing commands. The full installation enterprise, you have taskbar, you have menu. It's a very easy GUI, very easy to use, and you can navigate it very easily. That's why I personally believe the core version is more for administrators who are experts in using command line tools. So we're going with the full installation enterprise version. So we're going to click on that. We're going to click next. I'm going to accept the license terms. I'm going to click next. We're going to install a clean copy of Windows. I'm not going to upgrade. I'm going to click next. Okay, now we're not going to partition our memory. We're going to keep it at default because I already have sufficient space on my system. I think it's safe to make one big partition on the hard drive for safety reasons. We're not going to create multiple partitions. Some prefer to partition the hard drive on the server. Have a partition for OS files, have a partition for shared files. But we don't want to make a partition too small, run out of room on the partition we've created, and risk crashing the computer. So we're going to use the default memory for the partition for now, just to be safe. Now what this partition is a section of the hard drive that is separated from other segments, and it really enables the users to divide the computer hard drive into different partitions. That's just some background knowledge for you. So we're going to go and click next now. As you see, so far very easy, no complications. It just takes a while to load sometimes. It happens when we're installing an operating system itself. It may be slower to install on some computers. It all depends on your processing power of your system. Okay, so we're installing Windows. So it takes some time. I'm going to pause the video because this may take roughly 20 minutes. As I said, it all depends on the processing power of your system. Some may take longer than others. Okay, so we're nearly there. We've nearly completed our installation. Now we need to go to the administrative aspects of installing our server. We need a password, and the password is relatively simple, but there are some new policies with regards to making those passwords. You need characters from 3 categories. Characters from uppercase European language, at least three characters from lowercase European language, or base 10 digits, or alphanumeric characters, or Unicode. So you need to choose characters from those three of those categories. 3 of the 5 categories I now called. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to make my website, my password is going to be UFC is my life 10. I'm going to put some in capital letters, some in common, 10 is the digits, and that should be suitable enough for my password. I type it once, I type it over, it should work now. I'm going to press next. Changing password. So far so good. Okay, so I'm waiting for user profile service. Plan user settings. This will take some time, as I said. I'll pause the video until it completes. Okay folks, we're making progress. We'll see, we're preparing our desktop. And we're all but finished really. We're all but finished. Look, voila. We are on our desktop of Windows 2008 server, successfully installed. As you can see, we have a start menu, we have a taskbar. All these settings, our desktop, look, start bar. We have Internet Explorer, we have My Documents, Control Panel. We have successfully installed the software. And as you can see, it was very uncomplicated, relatively straightforward. As I mentioned before, it will take some time to install. But this process took no longer than an hour. Easy to use, easy to use, easy to use. So once you follow my instructions on my tutorial, you'll have a Windows 2008 server running in no time. No time. So, thank you for watching my video. It was a pleasure teaching y'all. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And thanks again for watching my video. Peace.